Ani, Mignuk Nadijnikas Mainga Nododam Bawating and Danjaba. My name is Austin Lowe's and I'm the elected chairman of the Sault Ste. Marie Tribe of Chippewa Indians. Over the past few days, many tribal communities and people across the Great Lakes region have been absolutely disappointed by the state of Michigan's decision to approve key permits for Enbridge's proposed Line 5 tunnel project. At the same time, we've been encouraged by the incredible amount of outreach and support that we've received. People throughout the region have made it clear that they do not want to see the Straits of Mackinac industrialized or this project rush through the permitting process. With the state's decision now made, the next step rests with the United States Army Corps of Engineers. While we are deeply disappointed by the state's actions, we respectfully ask our federal partners to take the time to consult directly with tribal nations before making any further decisions. Just yesterday, the Detroit District of Army Corps welcomed new leadership with Lieutenant Colonel Donald Liu assuming command. We recognize that any decision on Line 5 will involve many people within the Corps, but Lieutenant Colonel Liu now has an important voice in this process. And as he begins his new role, we encourage him to meet with tribal leaders and hear directly from people whose history, treaty rights, and cultural resources are at stake. Briefings and reports cannot replace meaningful government-to-government consultation. For the Anishinaabe people, the Straits of Mackinac are far more than just a waterway. They are a sacred place that has held deep cultural and spiritual significance since time immemorial. Constructing this tunnel would disturb the resting places of our grandfathers, grandmothers, Ogama, and Ogichida, who have been laid to rest there since long before colonization. To us, this project is comparable to constructing an industrial project through Arlington National Cemetery. This is simply not just a political issue. It is about protecting one of the world's greatest freshwater resources. It's about respecting human rights. It's about honoring tribal treaty rights and the federal government's trust responsibility. Allowing a Canadian corporation like Enbridge to continue operating a pipeline like Line 5 that primarily serves Canadian interests does not solve an American national energy emergency that many experts have questioned. Those claims should not outweigh the responsibility to protect the Great Lakes. We ask the Army Corps to take the time to fully understand what is at stake before making a decision that could permanently change the Straits of Mackinac. We welcome Lieutenant Colonel Liu to the Great Lakes region, and we sincerely hope that he becomes a partner to tribal nations, to the environment, and to everyone who values these waters. Our request is simple: keep the door open, engage in meaningful consultation with tribal nations, and ensure that every voice is heard before deciding the future of Enbridge's Line 5 project.